Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today, very quickly, I just want to share something with you. I went this morning to the market and what I saw in abundance there was this fella here, right? What is it? Well, that is a good question. But I thought I buy one or two and we do a little bit of exercise, yeah? Okay? My name is, da-da-da-da-da-da, Pomelo. All right, so pomelo it is. What we're doing with the pomelo? Well, we fillet it, right? And then you can make a nice juice out of it, segments, right? You can make a granité, a sorbet, just a fresh juice with a little bit ginger infused. Beautiful. So many good things. And while I just like to share this today with you, you have to grab the opportunity while you can. Now that's the season in my part of the world. When you see these babies, buy them. You know, they're only coming in a season. Actually, to get a little bit of a perspective, have a look. That's one, and that's an apple. Okay, that's a decent sized apple. That's how big they are. And yes, they can get even a little bit more bigger, and they having between 1.5 to 2 kilo. Yeah. Okay, what we're doing today is we just peel them then, right? And yes, you will notice as well, there will be quite a bit of waste. And I want to show you this as well, right? Let's see, how much we get on the end, yeah? That's what we call yield. What's the yield? Have a look. Still waste. Aye. Where we start? Here we go. And here we go, maybe a little bit more on that side. All right. Then we have to peel always sort of around like this, yeah? How the shape formed on the pomelo, right? Of course, the first one you have to do a few times around till you come nicely to the flesh. Okay, so we got a flesh. And now my eyes are always on this line here, on that line. So that's what we want to achieve. So I'm going around and my knife always goes and make sure you're going around, right? Around, that's what we want, so all around. Again, one more time. Goes nicely around, yeah? And again. So that's what we do. I make it a little bit faster. And this pomelo, why I said before, buy it while you can, while it is in season. This is so high on vitamin C, and we're having winter right now, and that's what you want, right? So you want to have a nice, good fruit as well, good for your body, right? For your immune system. You don't need the tablets and pills, just buy the fresh stuff. And I tell you what, will do equal good. No, do better. That's what I should say. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, have a look at this. That's our waste. That's our pomelo. Yeah, have a look. Yeah, okay, that's our yield. Yeah, and yes, you're paying, most of the time you're paying by kilo. So, that's one. All right, now have a look here. You see all sort of the fine lines here, right? And sort of in between these lines, that's what we call segments, right? 1 segment, 2 segment. And that's what I will do now. I take a knife, I go this line down, all the way down, and then this line down, sort of a little bit in an angle, yeah? And then that's what I get as a segment out of it, right? So I just put this one for your vision, and that's what I will do now. I just go like that, like that. Just very quickly around. Yeah, so this one you can eat like this. Yes, some of you will say, oh, that's a grapefruit. No, it's not a grapefruit, it's a pomelo. Yeah. There is definitely a difference. and that's, I believe it's not exactly the same family like the plant I'm talking about, like a grapefruit. Okay, yeah, so as I said, this one you have for breakfast with your, and then, I mean, I don't do it, but I mean, then you squeeze this one you squeeze nicely out. And that's what I just want to share today with you, is my friend Pomelo, right? And that's your wasted shares, but it's so healthy, so good. You know, as I said, vitamin C, 70–80%, that's what you need in the winter time. All right, this was a short clip today, but thanks for watching it. Until next time.